Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to apply for a personal loan using the Tata Capital app. First, download and open the Tata Capital app on your smartphone. Next, log in or register using your mobile number and the one-time password you receive. Once logged in, simply navigate to the Loans section and select the Personal Loan option to begin your application journey. Now, let's move on to filling out your application details. You'll need to specify your desired loan amount, which can range from 75,000 rupees up to 25 lakh rupees, and your preferred repayment tenure, typically from 12 to 72 months. Carefully enter your personal information, including your name, current address, and employment details. Double-check everything for accuracy to ensure a smooth and quick processing experience. The next crucial step involves submitting your essential documents. You will need to upload clear copies of your identity proof, like your PAN card or Aadhaar card, and income proof, such as your bank statements for the last 3 to 6 months or salary slips. The Tata Capital app often provides a seamless digital verification process, making document submission quick and hassle-free. Ensure all images are clear and legible for faster approval. Finally, it's time to review and submit your application. Take a moment to carefully check all the details you've entered and the documents you've uploaded for any potential errors. After submission, you'll typically receive an update on your application status within a few business days. Once approved, the loan amount will be swiftly disbursed directly into your registered bank account, usually within 24 to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.